Yeah, look at how bright that is. Wow. Yeah, what's up everybody? It's the Weedman here, and guess what? I'm on my way to do a UA. That's right, I gotta go do a UA for a new job. Obviously, I'm used to smoking weed on the job, so let's go ahead and see how this goes. I'll keep you guys updated on this vlog. Yeah, I'm excited. You know, things have got to move on. That's the thing about some things, is some people just want to hold on to stuff and they don't want to let go when it's time. They want to swim upstream. And let's be honest, when you're swimming upstream, things aren't going to happen the way that you want them to. So just remember that. Don't swim upstream. Go with the flow. That is today's vlog's theme. Go with the flow. So just remember that. Let's do what we got to do. Yeah. Hi, Sue.
Hi.
You don't want to take pictures of me with a sniffy nose.
Oh, yeah. That's exactly why I came back. Yeah, it's the Weed Man. So here we are at the shop. Just wanted to show you guys. As you can see, it's dark out here. Just got back from dinner with my wife, celebrating our anniversary. And I guess over here is a switch. Yeah, look at how bright that is. Wow. Yeah. That puts a little light on the subject. Now, I used to have this shop before when it only had those two lights up there. The one there and the one on the far end. And they weren't LEDs, they were old school fluorescents, and they were not this bright. Even two of them were not half this bright. This is really nice. Like, this really lights up the shop nice. Now, one thing that is very great about the shop that I did not realize today, but the shop actually has 220, so it doesn't, or 240 power. Yeah. So what's great about this is we actually finally get to start on doing some projects. Now, projects are gonna be simple at first. We're gonna do some things like practice repainting and doing stuff like that. So we're excited. We've got some practice bumpers, doors, hoods, different stuff like that that we're gonna pick up, and we're gonna practice on those, teach you guys some techniques, learn some techniques ourselves. I've worked on cars. I've rebuilt the motor in my 1978 Chevy Monza. I've done a lot of brake jobs and simple different stuff like that, but there's a lot of things that we're gonna be learning new or trying new and trying different. So a lot of projects we're gonna really kind of push the envelope and really get into this. I'm super excited to bring you guys a lot of great content, and I really wanna, basically I wanna show you guys that if you have a dream, all you gotta do is just work to achieve it. I have this dream, I don't have anything special, I may be a bit older, but when it comes to experience with racing and such like that, there's people that started doing it when they were a lot younger. So I like the fact that we're documenting this really from the basic beginning and from the very, very start, when I barely know working on motors and can do I can work on a motor, I can rebuild it, but can I do a swap? Never done a swap before. Doing wraps, different stuff like that. We're very excited to be bringing you this type of content. And basically, I want to be able to show you that you can do what you love, and you can learn about, even if you don't want to make a YouTube channel out of it, you can build your own cars, and you can learn everything that you need to learn to build your own cars on YouTube. Now there may be some stuff that you can't do. You might have to source it out. That's cool. I'm sure we may run into that problem at some point in time or another. But we're able to really document. That's the thing. Document what we're doing. This is gonna be fun. I'm excited. We got a shop. We got lights. Yeah. Weedz Garage. Let's do this. What's up, everybody? It's the Weed Man here. Yeah. And I was actually just finishing editing today's vlog, which is great. Super excited about what's happened. But there's one thing I forgot to tell you. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. Make sure you click on the little bell next to it. That way you receive alerts and you're notified every time we upload new content. Now, we're working hard to bring you content every day. Now that we have the lights in the shop, that's going to make it easier. Although, I also am going to start working full-time on Monday. Yes, I did get the job. Yeah. So, I will be working full-time starting on Monday. So, the vlogs will be uploaded later in the evening, and they probably will not necessarily be as long, but I'm going to try to put work in every day because that's what this is about. Appreciate you all. Again, like this video, share it. Peace.